Okay, welcome. More than likely our last video of this e-learning craziness. Okay, so we're gonna show you everything you'll be assessed on coming Wednesday, on Wednesday's last assessment, which will be in the data statistics part of your grade. Okay, so this weekend we had pizza every single night. Okay, so we had pizza Thursday night, pizza Friday night, pizza Saturday night, and pizza Sunday night. And this is the number of slices each of my daughters ate. Okay, on Thursday night, Kiersey had 3 slices. On Friday night, she also had 3 slices. On Saturday night, she had 2 slices. And last night, she had 5 slices. Very, very small mini slices. Eiley had 1.5 slices on Thursday, 1 slice on Friday. She had 2.5 slices on Saturday, and last night she had 2 slices. Okay, so now this is like our data. Okay, so if this is all of the data, looking at all the data, we'll first go with the basic stuffs. Okay, the range of all of this data would be our highest subtracted our lowest, so that would be 5, take away 1, which is 4. Our mode, our most common number of slices, 8. Between both of them, you have 2 and 3 at 2 each, so it would be 2 and 3, because they both have happened twice, and all the other numbers only occur once. The median would, when we put these in order, from least to greatest or greatest to least, and find the middle value. So we have 1, 1.5, 2, 2, 2.5, 3, 3, 5, and I should have 8 numbers. Just make sure I didn't miss one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Now I go cookie you, cookie for me, cookie for you, cookie for me, cookie for you, cookie for me, cookie for you, cookie for me. So it is the middle number between 2 and 2.5. You find the average of that number, so you add them up and divide it by the numbers. 4.5 divided by 2, so our median is 2.25. Okay, so now we're going to talk about the mean, or the average, and in that sense we're going to first find the mean of each. On mean, or the average slice per day. Okay, for Kiersey, 3 plus 3 plus 2 plus 5, 6, 8, 13, and I have 4 values, so I go 13 divided by 4, and I get 3.25 for her average slice per day. Then I would say for Eiley, 1 plus 1.5 plus 2.5 plus 2, 2.5 plus 2.5 is 5, plus 2 is 7, divided by 4. That goes in once with 3 left over, so her average slice per night is 1.75. Okay, so now let's find the percent change from Eiley to Kiersey. Okay, so first my value from Eiley to Kiersey, so I start off with Eiley's, which is 1.75. 3/4, and I want to figure out the change to 3 1/4. So what's this change? So I would do 3 1/4 on my calculator, take away 1 75/100, and I get 1 1/2. And that's a positive change because it went up. Okay? Then I have my change divided by my start. So I have 1 1/2 divided by 1 3/4. And I get roughly this. And then that as a percent, you move it over 2 places or multiply it by 100. So it's an increase of 85 7/10%. Okay. Now we're gonna do another one real quick. I'll put it above here. I'll go up here real quick. So now if I asked you the question of what about the percent change from Kiersey to Eiley? So that would be 3 1/4 to 1 75/100. It's subtracting 1 1/2. So that's my change, but I want the percent change. So my change is negative 1 1/2 divided by my start, 3 1/4. And I go 1 1/2 divided by 3 1/4. And I get, so 1 1/2 is roughly of this value. So make that a percent by multiplying by 100 and moving decimal over 2 places. So it's a decrease of 46 2/10%. So today we did basically everything that you'll be assessed on. We will probably throw a histogram in there, but that's about it. We've done 2 histograms this week so far. So have a fabulous day. Please reach out to me if you have any questions.